Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, it's Janet here. In this video, I will show you how I made this cute arrangement which looks like a teddy bear popping out from a flower box. Make sure you stay till the end as I will share with you a lovely way to make this arrangement extra special. For the teddy bear, I've used cream color pom-pom mounts. Their ball shape and fluffy texture make it relatively easy to put together a cute animal. For the flower bush part, I've used red roses and carnations for Valentine's Day, but you can use whichever flowers that suit your preference and occasion. Be creative and the possibilities are endless. Without further ado, let's get started. For this demo, I've used a gift box with a diameter of 16.5 cm and 10 cm tall. This time, I've rolled up some EPE foam sheets from some product packaging instead of using floral foam to hold my flowers together. Personally, I found this a great way to upcycle the EPE foam sheets. I started with placing the little paws overlapping the rim of my box. Then the face, the forehead, and the ears. Then I turned to the other side of the box and inserted my largest rose bang in the center. I then placed a couple of small roses to the left and right of the large one. I've inserted them in an angle so they formed a fan shape. Then I inserted 3 more alongside the rim of the box. After that, I used some red roses in a brighter shade of red to fill the space evenly. Now let's start adding leaves. I've bent a little bit of wire into a U-shaped pin to secure my rose leaves under the bear's paw. Then I add some eucalyptus and rose leaves to fill the gaps. I've used eucalyptus in 2 different shades of green to give the arrangement more depth. Then I add some carnations in wine red in between the roses. And some cream color berries to lighten up the arrangement. And a couple more carnations for the front. As I couldn't find plastic eyes and noses for plush dolls in my local shop, I have made my own with black polymer clay which I've bought from Daiso. When they have fully dried, I insert the eyes below the ears. For the nose and mouth, it's a bit tricky. Since I wanted them on the center of the mum, I have taken the mum out from the arrangement and gently threaded the wire stems through. The wire stems have then become the flower stem, and I could insert the mum back into the arrangement without a problem. Last but not least, who doesn't love a big ribbon bow on a teddy bear? It's so cute that I'm sure you can brighten up someone's face with it. If you want to add a little treat or a little card for your special someone alongside the flower arrangement for special occasions, you could tape the little treat on a wire stem and insert it in between the teddy's paws. Would you try making this cute floral arrangement? Please let me know down in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel for more fun floral arrangement videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.